The biggest bully in crypto has finally been derided for the shock in Binance ties. This is Gary Gensler, the SEC current chair. Mark my words, so many people believe that he will be out of the SEC by the end of the American summer. Guys, let me know what you think down in the comments below. We're going to have a look at this article in this video today, and we're going to talk about this insane twist that this guy, this fraudulent bully, has created in the market, and more specifically so in crypto. Let's see what he can do. But I'm going to say something before I let the entire video play. We are at a very pinnacle point now in crypto. This man will not succeed in his journey on trying to derail crypto. Crypto is there. It's there to stay. It's going to stay. It was there before him. It's going to be there after him. So do not get fudded out of your crypto, okay? So that you can sell it to morons like this. Please do not do that. Thank you for watching. We'll see you right inside. How's it going? What's up? What's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. Thank you for being here with me. I'm Kiara DeCass, and today I am going to blow your mind out the water with what is going on in the crypto space. Yes, guys, I have been busy this morning. Woof! It has been some sort of morning, but making things happen for you guys out there in the blockchain space. So yeah, keep smashing that subscription bell, that notification bell, because these things are the very reasons why you watch this video, guys. So I did a crazy video on Cardano yesterday. Didn't get that many views. I'm wondering why. Please let me know down in the comments why you think why. Also, this XRP video was insane. But clearly you guys absolutely love theta. So thankfully I'm in a theta trade myself. And yeah, I'm in a few trades myself, but we're going to talk about that. 3 to be exact. So we'll talk about that at the end of the video. So make sure to stay right till the very end of the video so that you can see what trades I'm in. In the meantime, today in the crypto market cap, we are currently sitting at $1,144 billion. So that's very interesting. We've only got a very shy, small $29 billion trading volume. And then let's go and wait, sorry, before I do that, Bitcoin is still sub 27k at 26,648. Ethereum has not really moved since yesterday, still the same price. BNB is only down a little bit. XRP is up a little bit. Cardano down quite a chunk. Solana 1925, Dogecoin 6.8, Polygon 78 cents. Wow. Litecoin 88.45, Polkadot 502, Avalanche 1392, Shiba 794, Uniswap 462, and Chainlink $6, Cosmos 935. So guys, with all of these prices and still a lot of blood in the market, as you can see on the crypto bubbles, holy shit, Algorand collapsed hard against this BTC pair. Wow, that is crazy. That would mean that it's time to buy some more Algorand, more ADA, more CF, all of these. Any of these that you own that you want to trade as the BTC pair, make sure that you're scooping some of these up at this point, okay? Because I'm telling you right now, Filecoin, Chiliz, Quant, amazing stuff, guys. Atom, 10% down. Wow, 10% is a mad big number, guys. Okay, today on the Fear and Greed Index, we're still sitting in neutral at 50. So that is very interesting. 50-50. Yes, 50-50. Let's get 50-50. In South Africa, there's a song that speaks about let's get 50-50. Anyways, guys, let's not waste any more time. There isn't much to show you out here in this wonderful world today. Actually, let's go and see if we can find you guys some news. Let's see if there's any news. How Binance US halting fiat withdrawals affects you. Exchanges can't ignore meme coin communities. KuCoin. Amy Berkson Jackson, who is the judge assigned to the SEC Binance case. Amy Berman Jackson. I'd love to read a little bit more on that article. SEC Chair Gary Gensler derided for shock Binance ties. Whoa. Let us go and read this, because this has obviously been the hype and the talk of the town. I'm going to use this as my profile picture. Thanks, Daily Coin. So guys, you can see here, he's a clown. He is what he is, and that's it. So as you see, the SEC case against Binance continues to spark discussions. A recent filing suggests the SEC chief, Gary Gensler, once offered to work at the crypto exchange. The allegations have sparked a flurry of online jabs. So it's a stunning twist. Just in, Gary Gensler applied to serve as an advisor for Binance 2019 before becoming the SEC chair, court filing says. Guys, this is going to be egg on his face. Hear me out. What if Gary Gensler was just upset that he didn't get the position, so he swore at the very moment to become head of the SEC and one day destroy Binance? That's very possible. So you guys can see all the stuff that is continuing to be here. I've watched and fought bullies my entire life. Gensler is the quintessential bully. He's the boy who didn't get picked to play the first full court basketball game, so he took his ball and left. I've talked to people who've been in the room with him, and he insists on showing everyone he's the smartest guy in the room. The same child prodigy that became the youngest partner in Goldman Sachs' history. He's disliked by everyone. He was cutting a deal with the biggest fraudster in crypto, SBF at FTX, and ready to give regulatory advantage to FTX official, an offshore exchange, while screwing Coinbase, an American exchange. Gary Gensler is a bad man, full stop. I 100% agree with that tweet. And that's exactly what's busy happening to Gary Gensler at the moment. So, guys, we all know that Gary Gensler is one of the biggest frauds that has lived on this earth, next to Sam Bankman-Fried. The two of them should be sitting, cuddling each other like clowns in a cell where they belong, okay? Because they're not serving the people at all. Guys, let's stop wasting our time on that. We all know the drama that's going on there. So don't waste your time. Just know what you're going to do. Oh, this is the dollar on the 1 hour. Guys, I'm going to say to you, the dollar on the 1 hour is coming down. We broke a new low here. As you can see, the RSI is pointing down, and we're being rejected here. And the Gaussian channel is pulling down now. You know, this is very much a strong indication of direction for us. So it is giving us a better way to look at this beautiful chart. Okay, so let us go and have the BTC dominance. BTC dominance. Whoa, BTC dominance back in the bullish swing of things. On the 1 hour, we're pulling back a little bit. And essentially, we should be having a lot of fun here. So let's just go back to the dollar quickly. The dollar on the 4 hour. Let's go and have a look at the dollar on the 4 hour. The dollar on the 4 hour. Gaussian channel is starting to turn red. We're under a level. It is saying that there is a bit of buy strength coming in, but under the 10 moving average, we're definitely on the downward slope and the downward momentum. I did say to you guys that this was more or less my target. So let's see if we can hit that sometime in the next couple of weeks. Now, the Bitcoin dominance pumping up. 4 hour has started to go green, and we've pumped up above my purple box here, and we're holding above this line so far, guys. So we're back up at where we need to be with this. This is amazing, guys. Look at this. Look at this. But we really, essentially, I did speak to you yesterday in my video over here. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share my content on the channel, guys. You know I'm bringing out brilliant energy to you guys. So check this video out there and check that video out there. I did go and mention that in the charts, that we would be creeping up to this level here, which would be essentially 48.4 level. If we got above the Gaussian channel, we need to break through the 49% level, okay, which is the top of this level over here. Now, that would be an amazing time to get your Bitcoin. Now, look at all the buy volume that has been previously coming in here over the past few days since we had this fall. That tells me we're going to get even stronger, guys. Now, the Bitcoin chart on the 1 hour is kind of ranging as well. Reload here. Gosh, I got to reload all of these charts. What's going on here? Okay, so we smashed down, we pulled up, we broke back down, and we're 50% of the way kind of there. Check it out. Check it out. Okay, we're in the green on the Gaussian channel. We've pulled up past the medium band, but right now we're just in a tight range on the medium band underneath this downsloping level and within these tight ranges here. Oh, excuse me, guys. I've needed a lot of oxygen here this morning. Okay, so boom. We've got one level of resistance there, and in fact, I'm going to just delete this line for you guys, and that will be the line, the target that we have to break out. Now, very interesting, that's just above the median band. So as long as we get above the median band, we're in a safe enough zone to say that we could come potentially back up to the 27,600, 27,800 level. Now, that's only on the 4-hour, guys. If you have a look at this longer term downward channel, okay, you guys can see right there, right? You guys can see that right there. So let's not pull that there. Yeah, let's pull this here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, there's okay. There was okay. Okay, so there you go. We just leave it there for now. Okay. Look at that wedge. Okay. Now I want to go and show you something on the daily time frame as well. Okay, because on the daily time frame, look at the sexy ass pattern that we have got here. So, boom. What pattern does that look like to you guys? Okay. If I had to draw a nice line right there, what pattern does that look like to you guys? That looks like a little cup, and handle. A cup. Look at the cup. Cup goes down the one side, comes up the other side. Then you got a little handle, and then boom, you drink, and it falls out the cup. What does that mean for us? Okay, well, essentially, that would create a freaking radical target on the next Bitcoin price run, okay? Boom! To 46,500. Now guess where that lands us up? Boom! Right there. Look at that level. Amazing! Guys, absolutely beautiful energy on this chart. So, yeah. Let me know what you think about the cup and handle pattern developing here. I want to zoom into this a little bit on the current time frame. Okay, because we are still under the 10 moving average. We're being squeezed now between the 10 moving average and the bottom of the Gaussian channel. Plus the RSI is coming down to the reset point. It almost looks like it doesn't even want to make it there. But as you can see, let me just delete this funky monkey line. So as you can see, we go from the top to the bottom, bottom to the top, bottom, sideways to the top, back to the bottom. Are we going back up to the top, or are we going to come back down to the bottom? Because if we come back down to the bottom, we're probably going to see about 24,500 at the very, very least, guys. That would coincide more or less with that little level there. And essentially what you would be seeing is a very strong move to the support there and a very strong move to the upside. Now, do I think that Bitcoin is currently bearish? On shorter time frames, maybe just a little bit more bearish, but actually on the longer term time frames, guys, we are extremely bullish. So be very cautious right now on trading. Let's go and talk about my 3 trades. In the meantime, please smash the thumbs up on the video. I want to see 10 likes on this video, and I'm sure you guys want to see that because you want to share that with the community. So first trade is Matic. Okay, Matic yesterday, boom, I took a trade down here. Over here. Yeah. Okay, why? Because the RSI was resetting. Boom, so I took a trade and it would have stopped me out, but luckily I drew this box and I knew to put my stop loss underneath there, and I put it underneath at about 74. So my stop loss is actually quite a way down from there. My stop loss is somewhere there. Now I did that because I did it, the stop loss on the daily time frame, not on the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, you're you're asking to get stopped out. So currently, I am then in only a 2.4% profit right now. But guess what? We are currently sitting above the blue line. We're trying to break through the median level. We're pushing up here. There's higher lows. Okay, look at this level right there. And then plus look at this level over here. Okay, boom, boom. Okay. So there is a very strong level over here. And generally this would be a bearish pattern, a bear flag, and that would be the pole. But essentially, for me, it seems as though we've slowed down very much so over here. And it seems as though we need to make quite a strong rally back up. Now, my first target is over here at 82, 83 cents. My second target is up here at this level, 88 cents. And then my third target would be at about 90 cents. So that's short-term time frame targets. But if I was looking at long-term, guys, it would be a heck load higher than that at the moment. And we're looking at about a $1.40 on Matic. Now, I'm not trading Solana. I'm not trading AVAX, so I won't do those. But I am trading FTM. FTM is Phantom. So Phantom, I did the same thing. I saw the wedge pattern. Boom. We were rejected here. We drew the pattern. We came down to the bottom of the box. We tested again, the bottom of the box. Okay. And look where the RSI was basically telling you to buy on the 1 hour. It was telling you to buy here. And your stop loss would have essentially been underneath this wick on this candle, which is quite a big risk stop loss, but that's okay. So we're now pushing on this median band level. There is a bit of volume coming in, not much, but a bit. The RSI is pulling up. So I'd like to see us get back up and close somewhere at the 30-cent level here on Phantom. And at that point, once we get above the top of the Gaussian channel, guys, my goodness me, we are going to see some seriously juicy Malusi profits. Okay. Now, that would bring us up to really very, very ridiculous levels of, I think it was 65 cents. Yeah. The target was 65 cents. Yes, there you go. 65 cents. So, yeah, guys, we got a long way from there to there, right? Look at that. Look at that. Hey? So, from there all the way up there, it's 123% gain. What do you think? 10x leverage, that's 1,230% gain on your trade. And if you're trading in a way that allows you to take the profits you've made, add them to the new level. So, when you come out of, let's do this properly, guys. Excuse me. Not sure why my charts are not loading so nicely, but that's okay. Let us go here. Okay, so basically what you would want to see is this falling wedge pattern. Boom. Okay, is bounce, 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 breakout, retest. This is where you would buy. And then you would add, so I bought down here, okay? I'm waiting for the breakout, which happened. We retested, so you should have bought some more. I actually added to my position this morning because I saw that happening. Okay, so that's this point here. And now we're due to make a strong rally to the upside to the next resistance level, which would be at the top of this, which is over here. Now that would take us in a straight line up to there. Then we would probably do a similar kind of consolidation pattern. Okay, which would also give you a flag pattern. You would then take the pole and trade the breakout, wait for it to retest. You would add to the position here. You would take your profits from here, move your stop loss up to a break-even point, take your profits up to the next point where we'll give you another test level and another flag pattern. And then you do the same until it reaches exhaustion. Then on your third rally, this is where you're going to take profits. TP. You will take profits over here. All of it. And you can even, at this point, because it might hit a strong point of resistance, you then might be able to take the profit that you've made here and convert it into a trade coming back down. And then you would have the same kind of consolidation with a bear flag forming. Then you would wait for the breakout, retest, trade the pattern down, okay, and do the same thing that happened there. Okay, so Guys, let me know what your thoughts are there. Are you trading any of these coins? Have you got into any of these coins? And yeah, let me know if you're trading in the comments down below. I have a Bybit $30,000 deposit link for you down below in the descriptions. So if you want to trade this with me, you're still relatively decently early. If you were to take the trade from this position right here, which isn't a bad position, honestly, I would still put my stop loss underneath this zone because you could still have a little bit of a spike and then a pump up. But the buy zone was in the box, essentially, just to give you a heads up. So thanks for being here with me on the channel. Appreciate all of you beautiful souls. Let's smash past the 700 subscribers by the end of this weekend. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's make it happen. Mwah. Love you all. We'll see you on the next one.